Where? Above, below, or between? I'm Penny Redding, and I'm here to help you improve your English. Today we're learning 3 important prepositions of place: above, below, and between. These small words help us describe where things are. They can be a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll go slowly with lots of examples. First, above means higher than something. Below means lower than something. Look at the sky. The clouds are above the trees. The trees are below the clouds. Simple, right? Now add some sunflowers. The sunflowers are below the clouds, but they are also below the trees. So, the trees are above the sunflowers. One little squirrel is running on the grass. He is below the sunflowers, below the trees, and below the clouds. Poor squirrel, he's at the bottom. But watch what happens next. The squirrel runs up the tree. Now he is above the sunflowers, but he's still below the clouds. He's sitting on the tree branch. If he hides among the leaves, we can say he is in the tree. How can the squirrel get above the trees? Only if he takes a plane. And above the clouds, he needs a rocket to space. Good luck with that, little guy. We use above and below in many ways. On a ship, the kitchen, called the galley, is below deck. A diver goes below the surface of the water. We say he's below. In a book, the chapter title is above the text and the page number is below. Temperature. It's 5 degrees below normal. Brr, it's cold. Reading level? She reads above her grade. Great job. Rank. The Prime Minister is above the other ministers. Even social things. That behavior is below his standards. Not good enough. Now let's talk about between. Between means in the middle of 2 things. The trees are between the clouds and the sunflowers. In the refrigerator, the peanut butter is between the jam and the butter. On a bookshelf, the book about dogs is between the books about cats and birds. We sleep between the sheets. Cheese goes between 2 slices of bread in a sandwich. And in an Oreo, the sweet cream is between 2 chocolate cookies. My favorite. Between also works for time and order. Wednesday is between Tuesday and Thursday. Her bedtime is between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. Okay, quiz time. Look at this picture. You will need a paper and pencil or your notes on your phone to participate. Pause while you get ready. Okay, here we go. Number 1 is the mountain. Is the mountain above or below the buildings? Right above or below? Number 2 is the steeple. Is the steeple above or below the clouds? Number 2, above or below the clouds. Number 3 is the person with an orange sweater on the stairs. Is that person above, below, or between the other 2 people on the stairs? Number 4 is the church in the background. Is that church between, above, or below the other buildings? Describe the location of the yellow flowers compared to the blue and red ones. Number 6 is the sunflowers. Are the sunflowers below or above the trees? Number 7 is the mountain. Is the mountain below or above the buildings? Number 8 is the smaller tree. It has a little bird in the tree. Is the bird above or below the people on the bench? There is a dark tree. Is it above, below, or between the other trees? And number 10 is the shrubs. Are the shrubs below or above the sunflowers? I hope this has helped you have a good understanding of above, below, and between. Please like, subscribe, or comment. and always keep learning.